So in the last episode, we talked about local scripts and server scripts. If you don't know what that is, watch the last video. But in this video, I will be specifically talking about functions. Now, functions are extremely useful if you don't want to keep rewriting code. So you can just call the function instead of copying and pasting. So for instance, if I had print test, if I wanted to call print test multiple times, I'd have to do this. Or I could make a function, which I'm going to teach you to do. So to create a function, you have to go function. That creates the function. Then you have to put a name. I'm going to call my name. Your name could be anything. You could be A, it could be B, but I'm going to call mine print function. And then you press enter. And you notice there's an end. You always have to end a function with an end. And I'm going to paste this here. And tab it. And then call the print function. You see it prints out test. Now, functions are mainly used for shortening code. If you want to redo the same thing over and over again, you can just call upon that function to cycle through the same thing. Now, or you could do it over and over again like I showed you with that print. But it's recommended to use functions for long programs because it just helps deal with things and helps make it smaller, easier to edit. Like if there's a function if you made an error in that code that you just ran and you copy and paste it, well, hey, you have like 50 lines of errors and you have to fix. So in a function, you can just do all that in here and fix one line of code when you one line of code inside of the function. Now functions I explained how they're useful. Now I'm gonna actually make a function that changes the color of a brick. So we know the base plate. Game.workspace.baseplate dot brick color equals 2. Or brick color, no, jeez, black, right? And then I'm going to add a wait, which is literally just wait. It just waits. It's like it waits however many seconds you put in the blocks. So for instance, if I put 1 second, it'll wait 1 second. But I'm putting 2. Then game.workspace baseplate brick color equals brick color.new, which is assigning a new brick color, white. So that'll change the brick color to a new brick color called black. And then it'll wait 2 seconds and assign the base plate's brick color to another new brick color called white. Let's run that now. As you can see, it changed it to black. I didn't spawn it in time, but it changed it to black and then it changed it to white. Now you could do this over and over again. Well, hold on, let me fix that. You could do this over and over and over again, or you could just call a function that does it for you. You could do this, which do the same thing. Or you could just do this. Copy it, Control C to copy, make a function called change color. And you change color and just call change color. That'll do the same thing that's what's in the code. and way less lines. So that's essentially what functions do. I will be getting into more advanced functions on episode 7. But until then, if you have any questions, message me on Discord or on Roblox. See ya.